What's up, everyone? Happy Thanksgiving. Normally, I don't make videos on Thursdays, but I actually had a very interesting experience that just happened to me that I want to kind of come on here and make a video. So as you guys know, this is not my normal setup. This is my Miami setup. I have full desk computer, everything ready to go so that, whenever I come to Miami, I'm not, trading on a laptop or anything like that. As you guys know, it's very hard to trade on a laptop. So having a full computer, a full setup is essential. So let me explain what kind of happened to me this morning on Thanksgiving, and then hopefully this video adds some value to you guys. So I went downstairs for a morning coffee. Miami's really nice. The weather's really nice, like 80 degrees out, whereas New Jersey, it's like 20 degrees out. So I went outside, had some coffee, and went on a walk. And as I was walking, I saw this guy, normal looking guy, messing around with his boat. And I don't know, he just needed help with something. So we were talking, and it turns out that this guy is a hedge fund billionaire type guy, right? And he runs a hedge fund that manages about $20 billion, something crazy like that. And we were kind of talking about the market, and I told him I'm a trader. And you got to imagine, like, when someone tells me a trader, I laugh at them because they have no idea what they're talking about. And the same thing just happened with this guy. This guy's a $20 billion fund guy. So when I tell him I made, $10 million trading, he laughs at me, fuck your 10 million, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, we started talking about the markets and talking about everything. And, he explained a really good analogy to me about 2020, 2021, and 2022 that I want to kind of come on here and talk about. So the way he explained it to me is, imagine if the 2020 COVID crash was like you getting into a car accident and breaking your leg. Then the government came out and started to give you stimulus, which is like you going to the hospital and getting morphine for the pain. Eventually, the stimulus runs out, the morphine runs out, and all you're left with is that pain. And that is what 2021 and 2022 is, where the stimulus is ended, our morphine is ended, and we got nothing but pain. And he's expecting the market to go even lower next year. And that's kind of crazy to me because in trading, because we're day traders, it doesn't really matter if market goes up, market goes down, but you got to think these big funds that are managing billions in dollars, what are they doing to kind of, stay alive? And I asked him, and he said the main thing is risk management. Risk management is the best way to stay alive. And everyone talks about risk management, hard stops, this, that. But the truth of the matter is these guys are managing $100 million books, $1 billion books are using risk management. So the thing that's probably stopping your trading from getting to the next level, the thing that's stopping you from going from, an inconsistent trader to a consistent trader is your lack of risk management. Now, at MIC, we have plenty of different ways to manage risk. One way is the zombie rules, which is a time-based stop, which means that after 10:30, I am no longer allowed to short because the volume shrinks, the algos take over, and they start jamming stocks higher. There's also a different stop called a hard stop, which means that when your stock gets to a certain desired level, it hard stops you out. How many times have you said, I'm going to have a mental stop, the stock gets to that level, and you're like a deer in headlights, you don't know what the hell you're doing, you freeze, stock gets worse, and it balloons and balloons and balloons. And the final way is a max loss, auto liquidation at the broker level, where you say, you know what? If it hits minus $300 on the day, I don't care what the price is. You just got to get me out at all costs. So these lessons of risk management are the lessons that I learned because I was losing money. And these big time hedge funds, these big time institutions, they have someone called a risk manager. Someone's full-time job that gets paid $1 million a year is to make sure that you stick to your risk because it is more advantageous for the firm to pay that guy $1 million than to lose $2, $3, $4, $5 million on your dumb ass not stopping out of the stock, right? So trading is very, very difficult right now, right? It's very difficult because all the dumb money, all the uneducated money, all the gamblers at the casino, they just got wiped out. And all that's left is traders like me. Hi, how you doing? I made tons of money trading. So when you are trading against someone like me, someone that has experience, someone that's been doing this 8 years, made millions and millions of dollars doing it, odds of you succeeding are pretty damn tough unless you know the secrets that I know. Unless you know what I've been freaking doing all this time, right? And, I've been kind of explaining, I made still I think this year about $1.5 million. You could go to the website, myinvestingclub.com, and look up my broker statements. But what I've been doing is I've been just using less size. I've been very cautious in this market. I've been trying to be more selective in this market, because the same things, if I was doing the same things that I did in 2020, 2021, that made me probably $4 to $5 million. If I did that now, I'd be down $4 to $5 million, because that strategy doesn't work anymore. That setup doesn't work anymore. That market cycle is not as active anymore. So it's just very interesting to me that, these big time hedge fund people are expecting the market to go lower. They're expecting more bleeding. I mean, if your 401k is down, you're probably panicking. Real estate is next. It's just a lot of gloom and doom is happening in this market right now. And, it's very tough to stay calm and confident and believe in yourself and trust yourself when you have the entire world crashing in front of you. And, it might not be so bad right now. I mean, a lot of these companies are definitely laying off people, but when companies like Amazon and Facebook and Google and Apple are laying off people, what's to stop Main Street from laying off people next? What's to stop you from losing your job? As a business owner myself, we have had to cut costs. We have had to reduce expenses because, hey, we want to be protected. I'm just following the big guys. If the big guys are laying off people, they got more money than me. They got more brains than me. I'm just going to follow them, right? So the same way that we follow big money in the business world, that's what we have to do in the trading world. We have to be able to find strategies that big money is using to be able to profit in this market cycle. So it's just very, very interesting. And, what I learned is trading is very lonely. Trading, look at me, I'm just in this room by myself with my iPhone recording this video. And it's very tough to be a trader, guys. It's very tough to be an investor in these times. And the truth of the matter is, if you want to succeed, if you want to take this seriously, if you want to give your best chance for success in this market, then you must learn how to trade the right way. When I first started trading, I thought the best way to make money was to buy alerts. I thought that all I had to do was follow these people that were just pumping these stocks up. If this guy's buying at $5, I'll just buy it at 501 because he's gonna sell it at 520 anyway. I'll sell it at 515. But by the time you get the alert on a delay or on a low latency bullshit, it's already too late. I've lost so much money trying to chase alerts when I first started that if I just learned how to trade the right way, if I just learned how to trade the proper way, if I just did trading and treated it like a business from the beginning, then I would have been more successful, guys. So this year, as you guys know, we're having a Black Friday promotion. There's a couple days left for this Black Friday promotion. We don't really want to do these promotions. We don't really want to do this stuff because the less people that know our edge, the less people that know our strategy, the more money we can make, right? We don't base our strategy on pump and dump. I don't want people to follow me. I don't want people to kind of replicate me. I want people to understand that if I one day am no longer trading, can you still show up and make money in this market? So, look, guys, it's up to you if you want to sign up for Black Friday. It's up to you if you guys want to learn how to trade the right way. If you are a struggling trader, if you are an inconsistent trader, why not learn from a guy that's a multi-millionaire trader that's coming on here week after week after week after week after week, educating you, mentoring you, and teaching you how to trade the right way. We're teaching you risk management, which is what these hedge funds and institutions are teaching their traders. We're teaching you strategies that work. How do you know that they work? I'm still making millions of dollars this year. So whether you're a new trader, whether you're a struggling trader, whether you're an investor, whatever you are, whatever you consider yourself, there's no better time to learn trading than right now, because if you could be successful in this market cycle, you will be successful in every market cycle. So again, we brought back the monthly membership. We discounted our annual membership. We have a 6-month membership, and we even have a lifetime membership. So, if you guys are interested, while you're on Thanksgiving break, it's a great time to learn. It's a great time to study and give yourself the best opportunity to succeed by learning how to become a professional trader. My trading changed when I started to treat this as a business instead of a hobby. My trading changed when I started to seriously invest in my education. If I want to consider myself a bodybuilder, but I don't go to the gym every day and I don't eat clean every day, I'm never going to be a bodybuilder. If I consider myself a day trader, but I never watch videos or learn from professional traders, I'm never going to be a day trader, right? So this year, for Black Friday, take an investment in yourself, take a shot on yourself, join using the Black Friday deals. Go to myinvestingclub.com/Black Friday. If you don't think we're real, go to myinvestingclub.com/testimonials. If you don't think I made any money, go to our website, check out our broker statements. And if you're watching this video right now and you're still hesitant to join, what I'll do for you guys is if anyone watches this video and you sign up for the Black Friday deal watching this video, and after a week you're not completely blown away or you're not completely satisfied, DM me in Slack, tell me that I suck, and I will refund you guys 100%. But I want to be able to help you guys. I've already made a ton of money. I already have all the watches. I have all the fancy things. I mean, shit, man. I hate to do this shit, but maybe I have to show you guys this stuff. Maybe I have to fucking flex and show you guys what I'm working with. And look, I mean, hey, I got right here is about $1 million in watches. I have $1 million of watches just sitting next to my bed, just waiting for me, because I've made millions of dollars, guys. I know what I'm doing here. So it gets very boring after you buy yourself a Lamborghini, after you buy yourself $1 million in watches, after you buy yourself all these sneakers. I'm fucking bored, man. I'm so bored. I don't know what the hell to do with my life anymore. And being able to help you guys is giving me a sense of fulfillment, because you're going to realize that after you make millions of dollars, that there's nothing else remaining except helping people. Pretty soon we're going to start a charity, a legit one, a clean one that doesn't use their funds to fly people out on private jets. So we're going to be doing things the right way, guys. And MIC is the best kept secret in the world right now, because we don't flash my fancy watches. We don't flash my stacks of cash, even they're sitting there. But we are real traders. We are committed traders. And if you want to learn how to trade the right way, if you want to learn how to be a millionaire, if you want to learn how to change your life, go to myinvestingclub.com/Black Friday. This is unadvertised. I'll give you a 7-day refund policy if you're not completely blown away. But other than that, here I am on Thanksgiving. My dumb ass is over here trying to make a video about the guy that I saw downstairs, a freaking hedge fund guy. He honestly looks shot to hell. I would never say this guy is a billionaire, but the people that have the most money, the people that have real money, are not here flexing it every single day. But I might have to do that shit so that you guys learn. So that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, I don't know what else to do. I'm going to go back to helping members. I'm going to go back to being a good leader. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys, again, want to learn how to trade, myinvestingclub.com/Black Friday, save 60%. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully this video helps you guys. Have a great day. Have a great Thanksgiving. Have a great weekend. And I will see you back at the market tomorrow. Tomorrow's a half day. We close at 1 p.m. Thanks, guys.